Cryoport Systems has been vital to cell and gene therapy and its advancement for the past 8 years. Today, we support hundreds of clinical trials and commercial therapies. Cryoport Inc. is today the world's third largest specialty courier serving the biopharma industry. We're the largest manufacturer of cryogenic systems, freezers, and doors in the world.
The cell and gene therapy industry is rather young in comparison to the rest of the pharmaceutical industry. Cryoport Systems is accustomed and has a long legacy of customizing their products and services to meet those very extreme needs for the cell and gene therapy industry.
Cryoport's key differentiators are really in 4 areas. We have logistics, engineering, supply chain services, and consulting services. From a logistics perspective, we're completely focused on temperature-controlled transportation. Engineering, we have several different disciplines and skill sets. We have mechanical, electrical, software, and process and facilities engineering. From a supply chain perspective, we're also involved in BioServices, which can involve kitting, storage, distribution, and custom-made packaging solutions. And finally, from a consulting perspective, we're offering customized package solutions, lane validations, and data services.
One of the services we offer are qualifications and validations that are customized to our client needs. These can take the form of qualifying shipping systems or packaging systems, all with the effort of trying to understand the risks and then take actions around those risks.
Cryoport System purpose-built packaging supported by near real-time information technology sets the company apart from others in the industry. We provide our clients with the chain of compliance for our shipments by providing complete traceability of our equipment, processes, and logistics handling.
The chain of compliance is really the traceability and trackability of the equipment during the transportation process. We're seeing an overview from auditors, investigators, that this is really what they're looking for going forward with personalized and regenerative medicines.
Cryoport's fleet of shippers is different than any other fleet of shippers out in the industry because Cryoport has a rigorous requalification process that's unique to Cryoport. The Cryo Shuttle is Cryoport's solution for local pickup and delivery from both global supply chain centers and logistics centers. The Cryo Shuttle is also outfitted with a proprietary software that allows Cryoport to track, as well as our customers to track their shipments in real time.
Zero defect is essential in the cell and gene therapy space because it's not just a shipment, it's also a patient. And so we are dedicated to ensuring that the processes are in place to deliver a safe and effective product on behalf of our clients to patient.
There's 2 primary issues that the industry is going to face over the next 10 years. One is standardization, and 2 is scalability. And so Cryoport is really focused within the supply chain paradigm of cell therapy, manufacturing, distribution, of establishing the ability to rapidly scale on a global basis.
We already know Cryoport Systems is a leader in advanced temperature-controlled logistics solutions. And now with our new facility, our global supply chain centers coming on, we're offering even more of that end-to-end supply chain. We're also growing continuously, expanding our technology.
We have new state-of-the-art supply chain centers with both logistics operations and bioservices under the same roof. These new facilities are designed for streamlining the storage, the packaging, the distribution of drug product, effectively reducing the time for transportation, the temperature hold time wasted, and reducing risk within the supply chain by managing chain of custody continuity with a single partner.
So clients who are familiar with Cryoport, they trust us with their logistics. And now they're moving on, they come to us and they say, well, how else can we support their studies, their clinical strategies? And BioServices is an obvious enhancement of our current services. So essentially the big difference with BioServices is that for the first time in its history, Cryoport is now going to be managing drug product and GMP-compliant raw materials. So the storage element is one important facet of BioServices. And this isn't just of finished drug, but also of raw materials as well going into the manufacturing process.
We're very excited to be open. This is something that our customers have been asking for. There's so much growth in this field. They need more spaces to store their material, and the field is constantly growing, so I'm excited for the growth that we have looking forward.
Trust comes down to one element, and that is confidence. And we have built a level of confidence within the industry where if the name Cryoport is mentioned, the immediate response from the industry partner is they have demonstrated repeatedly the ability to support this space and provide an effective platform that has little to no risk for the patient's commodity or manufactured drug product, either on a clinical or commercial basis.